Good afternoon to all my viewers and my students. Let me complete some important sums regarding compound and multiple angles of trigonometry chapter. Let us take one question. Question number 1, I am taking the exercise question from the book ML Overall, ISC. If A angle A, B, C are angles of a triangle, okay, triangle, then prove that means ABC is a triangle. A, B, C are the angles of the triangle ABC. Okay, you have to prove number 1 first part, that is sine A plus B is equal to sine C. You have to prove this one. Second part question given, just see here. Second part question given, cos A plus B by 2 is equal to sine C by 2. This is the second part question given. And third part question given, tan B plus C plus tan C plus A plus tan A plus B whole divided by tan pi minus A plus tan 2 pi minus B, tan 2 pi minus B plus tan 3 pi minus A is equal to 1. You have to prove number 1, given A, B, C are the angles of a triangle, and you have to prove these 3 parts. Okay, let us see one by one. First of all, as ABC is a triangle, so what is the condition? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be how much? 180. This is the condition given. Okay, as ABC is a triangle and angles of the triangle A and B and C, the sum of the 3 angles of triangle is equal to 180. This is the basic concept. The first part question given, you have to prove sin A plus B is equal to sin C. Okay, before going to sum, you should have basic concept about the quadrant. This is the first quadrant, 0 to pi. Okay, 0 to pi. This is the x dash, y. Very short I am explaining. First quadrant, this is the second quadrant, and this one is third quadrant, and this one is fourth quadrant. First quadrant all positive. Okay, all positive means add sugar 2 coffee, add all positive, add sugar. Sugar means sin theta, cos theta positive, add sugar 2 coffee. 2 means tan theta, cos theta positive, add sugar 2 coffee. Okay, coffee means cos theta and the reciprocal is sec theta positive. First quadrant is 0 to pi by 2 means 90 degree. Okay, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. Okay, this is the concept you have to apply here. The first part, your left hand side, question given sin A plus B. The sin A plus B means that will be pi minus C. Yes or no? Pi means 180, pi minus C. The sin pi minus C means is the second quadrant, pi minus 180 से कम. The second quadrant sin is positive, add sugar. Sugar means sin theta, reciprocal is cosec theta will be positive. Pi minus C means this will be plus sin C, which is nothing but your right hand side. In this way the first part completed. Let us go to second part. Second part question given. What is the second part question given? Cos A plus B by 2 is equal to sin C by 2. You have to prove. The first one, right, left hand side. What is given? Cos A plus B by 2. As for the concept, A plus B plus 180, that means A plus B by 2 is equal to how much? 90 minus C by 2. And this will be 90 means 5 by 2 minus C by 2. Dividing 2 both sides, A by 2, B by 2, C by 2 is equal to 90. 90 means 5 by 2. And A plus B by 2, it will be 90 minus C by 2. That is written here. Cos pi by 2 minus C by 2 is how much? That is nothing but pi by 2 minus theta means this is first quadrant. First quadrant all positive, less than 90 degree. That will be sin C by 2. As for the concept, so which is equal to also right hand side. Okay. In this the second part also completed. And the last part, third part you see tan B plus C, it will be how much? Pi minus A. Tan pi minus A means this will be second quadrant, pi minus, this will be minus tan A, this will be minus tan B, and this will be minus tan C. And just you see here, tan pi minus A is how much? Tan pi minus A means tan pi minus tan A, and tan 2 pi minus B. 2 pi minus B means this will be fourth quadrant. This is also minus tan B. Again this will be tan CC minus CC. 3 pi minus 3 pi means, just to see the figure, this one is pi, 2 pi, and next is 3 pi. 3 pi minus C means this will be second quadrant. Second quadrant, this will be minus tan C. So your left hand side will be minus tan A, minus tan B, minus tan C, and here it will be tan pi minus A means pi minus A, that is minus tan A, minus tan A, minus tan B, minus tan, both will be cancelled, left one. Okay, just I explain here. That means you have to copy here left hand side. What is the left hand side? Already written there. Just I am replacing tan B plus C. B plus C means pi minus A. Plus this will be tan pi minus B. And next one is A plus B means tan pi minus C. And denominator is tan pi minus A is minus tan A. Here also it will be minus tan B. Here also minus tan C. And if you break the numerator also, it will come minus tan A, minus tan B, minus tan. Both will be cancelled, and it will be 1, which is equal to right hand side. Okay. This part, third part also completed. Let us go next number. Question number 2, you have to prove that is tan 69 plus tan 66 whole divided by 1 minus tan 69 into tan 66 is equal to minus 1. This is the question given, you have to prove. Okay. Question given tan 69 plus tan 66 by 1 minus tan 69 into tan 66 is equal to minus 1. First of all, you have to copy left hand side what is given here. Very important question. This is tan 69 plus tan 66 degree divided by 1 minus tan 69 into tan 66. So which formula is it here? That means tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan into the tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus B formula. I am writing the formula here since tan A plus B, the compound angle formula is tan A plus tan B whole divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. That means for how much you are getting? This is nothing but 135. 135. Tan on 135 we can write like this: 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45 will give 130. Just replacing 135 by 180 minus 45. Tan 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta, this will be second quadrant. In second quadrant, this will be negative, means tan 45 minus tan 45. Minus tan 45 is how much? 1, which is nothing but your right hand side. I hope it is clear for you. Let us go next number. Just see. Question number 3, evaluate, that is sine 11 pi by 12. I can break like this, sine pi minus pi by 12. If you take LCM, this will be 12 pi minus pi, that is 11 pi by 12. 11 pi by 12, I can write here sine pi minus pi by 12. That is sine pi minus theta, that is second quadrant. Sine pi minus theta is sine theta. Add sugar to copy, that is sine pi by 12. This sine pi by 12 you can break like this. I am writing here. First to write here. This you can write like this. Pi by 4 minus pi by 3. If you take LCM, this will be 4, 12. 4, 3 are 12. This will write 3 this side. And this one is 4. Pi by 3 minus pi by 4. Okay. Pi by 3 minus pi by 4. LCM will be 3 4 is 12. 4 pi minus 3 pi, that is coming pi. Pi by 12. Pi by 12 I decompose in this form like pi by 3 minus pi by. Now you can apply sine A minus B formula, compound angle formula. Sine A minus B formula is what? That is nothing but sine A into cos B minus cos A, that is pi by 3, into cos A into sine B. Sine A minus B formula is A means here pi by 3, B means here pi by 4. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Sine pi by 3 means 60 degrees. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Minus cos 60 is 1 by 2. Minus sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay. So finally you are getting 2 root 2. Root 3 by 2 root 2. Root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So what is the LCM? 2 root 2. That means final answer is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the answer. Okay. So today I have discussed some important questions regarding compound angles. Okay. Just to see, I hope it was clear for you. Next day I will do more some. Thank you for today's class.